Hello, what's up guys? So today I'm gonna do fully explained tutorial about my trading strategy. Everyone asked for it. So here it is. So in this strategy I'm using two indicators. Let me show you. I'm using stochastic oscillator and Keltner channels. Let's add it again. Go to the indicators. Then you can add stochastic oscillator. That is the main indicator that we are going to use. We are using it in its default settings, so not to change. Second one is Keltner channels. You need to change Keltner channels multiplier as 2. So if you are in IQ option, you need to change offset as 2 in Keltner channel. In pocket option, it's a multiplier. So save. Also we are using 30-second candles. If you are not using candles, go to candles, then use 30-second. Okay, then purchase time is 1. I have some advice to you. Don't risk over 5% of your entire account balance at once. That means if you have $1,000 accounts, don't ever place trade above $50. So let's see, if you have $100, don't place trade above $5, because if you going to do that, if you have $1,000 account and you put $200 trade, then you lose it, then you will trade another $400 to cover that loss. So if you lose that too, you, you only have $400 in account. So if you trade it again, then you lose it, you blow your entire account. So if you trade it $5, you can be at great at risk management. So only risk 5% of your entire account at once. So that's the way I am trading. I advise you to be great at risk management so you can consistently profitable at trading. So if you are new to trading, you don't have any trading accounts, so I will put link in description to some trading platforms. You can create account and practice with demo account. Don't invest real money if you are new to trading. First you need to practice, then you can trade with real money. So let's go. First let me explain the strategy. So you can see here I got this example. So you can see here, first if we are going to call option, we need to confirm that our stochastic oscillators blue line cross the yellow line. That means if blue line cross the yellow line to upward, that means it's going to be upward. In this position you can see 20 line in stochastic oscillator and 80 line in stochastic oscillator. So if stochastic oscillators blue line and orange line under the 20 line and blue line cross the yellow line upward and it goes up to above the 20 line, that means it is a perfect entry. Also you need to think about the chart. So you can see here the red candles go all the way down to Keltner channel's bottom line, you can see here. Then this huge green candle, so this huge green candle means it will go to the upside. So also you can see here the support line here. So this is a perfect entry. That's how we are gonna trade in call option. So I will show you another example of put option. Let's see. So here's this example number 2. You can see here the blue line in stochastic oscillator crossed orange line to downward. Also it going below the 80 line. You can see it. This is 8 line. So stochastic oscillator in the point. Also you can see here in the chart market goes all the way up to Keltner channels above line. Also there is resistance line, and then we got huge red candle. So in this case we can place a short trade here. Let's see. So market are going sideways in this moment. So you can see here up the resistance level and down the support level. Let's see how the trade's going. So the first one is profit. Let's go ahead. So you can see here, let me show you. Let's draw the trend line, and so the market broke the trend line. No market in consultation period. We can't trade here, but you can get the idea. So market will be here around next 5 to 10 minutes, and here that range. Let's go ahead. That's the best one. Let's place put option. Let's go. You can see markets going sideways. So it will be great trade. Ooh. In here also market going sideways, but that's not perfect entry. The candle goes all the way up. Market is in sideways, but we can't enter trade here. We can mark it for future trades, but we can't trade here. Oh, that's a perfect trade. Let's go trade for 2 minutes. Market hits the resistance line, then came back. It will go back to the support line. I put the 2 minutes trade here because if something goes wrong, you can see this candle can end almost here, then go little bit up to like that, then it can be go downwards. Let's see. That is a nice trade. If I put 1 minute trade, that will definitely lose. Market is also going like sideways to downtrend. You can see. Mm, let's go ahead. Okay, consolidation period is over. Then let's go all the way up. That will be nice trade. You can see here the closing candle, the red candle. That candle means the trend reversal. So let's see. Nice profit. So here, that's a perfect trade. You can see here the market going down. It's in downtrend. Let me show you. Let's draw the trend line. That's why I enter the trade. So when you are trading through the trend lines, support and resistance lines, so you can trade with confidence. That's a downtrend. We can't trade here. You can see. Okay, if this candle close below the trend line, that will be perfect entry for the trade. So this trade is completely based on my experience. That's closing candle is great, but we need to confirm the down movement. Let's make it market goes down, but it will be back on the consolidation zone, I hope. Let's see. Ooh, nice entry. As you can see, we drew the trend line. We traded it before, so that's the advantage of drawing trend lines and support and resistance. You can see it. Let's see what's gonna happen. So nice trade. So I think that's it for this video. So hope you get something on this video. If you have any questions, comment down below. Also, if you like the video, like it. If you dislike it, dislike the video. If you are new to the channel, if you like the content, subscribe it. So that's it. See you in another one.